Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your right click menu doesn't seem to be going away after you click out of it, or perhaps you click on something but it just keeps an empty outline of the window on your screen. Basically it should be this does not go anywhere no matter where you click. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully address it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. You want to type in control panel. Best match should say control panel. I'm going to left click on that one time. So you want to set your view by the category and then left click on system and security. Now you want to left click on system. On the left side you want to left click on advanced system settings. Underneath performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory, left click on settings. Now you want to locate fade out menu items after clicking. You want to uncheck this. So you just want to make sure you leave that unchecked and then left click on apply and OK. Click on OK again. And then you can close out of here. Would suggest restarting your computer and hopefully that has resolved the issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.